To find the best HelloFresh discount promo codes, you can utilize several strategies. Start by visiting the official HelloFresh coupon and promotions page at hellofresh.com/pages/coupon-codes-and-promotions to see their current offers, especially for new customers. Many of the best discounts are aimed at new subscribers to entice them to try the service. Another excellent resource is the HelloFresh subreddit r/HelloFresh, where users often share information about the latest and most valuable discount codes they've found. Keep an eye out for introductory offers, which often provide the most significant savings on your few boxes. Additionally, consider whether you qualify for any special discounts such as student, military, or health worker discounts, which HelloFresh sometimes provides through verification services like Unidays or IDMe. Don't forget to check your email inbox and HelloFresh account for any personalized offers or promotions that might be available for you.